channel Beauty and the Peace. Hope everyone is doing great and you are safe at your home. I have started a new series called #WW, which means Winter and Wedding series. In this series, I will dump each every possible videos which is related to winter and wedding. I hope you will like, and if you are interested, then stay tuned with me. So today's video is about how to take care of your skin in this winter. So let's get started. From now in this channel, I will upload all the videos on Wednesday and Saturday at 7 p.m. The first thing I want to say, in this winter, our skin screams for hydration. So you have to drink lots and lots of water. So all the to-be brides and all the girls, I want to say, please drink lots of water to glow from inside. You have to drink at least 3 to 4 liters water per day because it is necessary. For my skincare, I follow 5 steps. First one is cleansing and second one is exfoliation. Exfoliating is important, but you can do it for 2 to 3 days in a week. Toning, then hydration. That means your skin needs some serums, some good serum. And the last one is moisturizing. I will recommend 2 to 3 products in each category. So let's start it. The first thing is cleansing, means face washes. In winter, generally I prefer gel based face washes which cleanse my face thoroughly but without making it dry. So I don't like those kind of face washes which actually suck up all the oil from your face. In this winter, I have oily skin, still I prefer gel based face washes, and if you are from dry skin family, then you should definitely go for gel based face washes. For face washes, I have 3 recommendations. The first one is this Mamaearth tea tree face washes. It is a gel based face wash. It's transparent and it's for acne and pimple, and it's all skin type, so you can use these face washes in winter. It will cleanse your face, it will help to reduce your acne, and if you don't, then also you can use this face wash. It won't make your skin dry, so definitely you should go for this one. The next one is from Aroma Magic Neem and Tea Tree face wash. Again, it's a gel based face wash and I really love this face wash. It's acne control and oil balancing, so it will balance the oil, it won't suck up all the oil from your face. So the third recommendation is this one. This is a True Derma face wash. So my dermat has suggested me this one. So if you have active acne or pus in your acne, I mean white acne if you can see, and if you have red acne, then definitely you can use this one. And one thing I wanna say, all these products I'm gonna suggest you, all this works for my skin. So if you wanted to use, then please do a patch test. Now come to the exfoliating part. Exfoliation is really important in winter because we can see flaky skin or dry patches all over this area, and sometimes blackheads, whiteheads, so many problems you can see all over this area. In a week, you can do exfoliation or scrubbing your skin for 2 to 3 days, not more than that. So I have a recommendation for one scrubber. This is the Everyuth Walnut Scrubber. This one is really good because it has very minute particles which won't harsh for your skin, but as well as it will help to remove all the dry patches, flaky skins or blackheads from your skin, and it won't make your skin dry. So it's a big thumbs up because it's also affordable. So you will get this one only for 75 rupees. So yeah, in winter I don't like to use any kind of face mask. I go for sheet mask. But if you are interested, then I have 2 recommendation for face mask also. So the first one is Mamaearth Upton face mask. So if you are to be bride, you can just relate this face mask for your wedding because it has chandan, multani mitti, kesar. So to be bride, it's a good purchase for you if you are interested for any kind of mask. Cost 499. So if you think it's expensive, I have the another recommendation. This is this one. This is Everyuth Pure and Light Tan Removal Face Mask. It's a chocolate and cherry face mask. so you will get one on 99 rupees only. So this is a good purchase and it really helps to lighten up your skin. So if you are interested, you can go for this one. Toning part, toning is really important for your skin, because I have already told you that your skin screams for some hydration. You need to hydrate your skin. So the first toner I will refer this one. This is the Plum Chamomile Toner. It's alcohol free and I just love the smell of this product. Just put this product in your fridge, and when you will apply this one, you can feel a fresh, a refreshment boost you are just giving to your face. It is just awesome and the smell is so nice and so calming. If I'm not mentioning the price, then definitely I will share the price in the screen, so whenever you will watch the video, you can see the price of all the products. Now the next thing is this one. This is the Mamaearth Vitamin C Toner. So we all know that vitamin C is really help to glow our skin and it's really good for our skin. So all the to be brides, you should go for this toner. This is really amazing, and again it's alcohol free and it suits for all skin types. So yeah, third toner is this one. This is the Minimalist PHA 3% plus biotonic toner. This is for pore tightening and skin rebalancing. Okay, so I have started use this one for last 2 months. What I can say, this toner is kind of different because the density of the toner is not so fine like other toner. It's the density is thicker, but yeah, this will help to hydrate your skin more. So if you are from dry skin family or very dry skin family, then definitely you should try this one, because this is the perfect toner for your skin. So for serum, I have this 4 recommendation. So the first one is 10% niacinamide serum and it's from Dermaco. And second one is again niacinamide serum and it's from Minimalist. So first I bought this one and I started this one and I fall in love with this product, because this works wonder for my skin. Actually, this helps to reduce all the black spots all over my skin, because last year before my marriage I have suffered a bad acne issue. So this one just helped me a lot to overcome that phase. So when I fall in love with this niacinamide serum, I thought that I should try niacinamide serum from another brand. So I go for this one. This is the Minimalist niacinamide serum, and this one is also amazing. But if you ask me which one I will prefer, then I will go for this one. But this one is also nice, so you can go for any of this one. This is the Mamaearth Skin Corrector Face Serum, and this one is also help to reduce the black spot or blemishes on your skin, especially if you have active acne, then you can use this one. But if you have active acne, don't use any kind of niacinamide or salicylic acid kind of serum. So yeah, the fourth recommendation is this one. This is the Pixi Glow Tonic Serum and it is costly, guys. So one thing I want to say, if you are getting married and in हल्दी occasion, मेहंदी occasion, तुम अगर खुद ही अपना मेकअप कर रहे हो, then you can go for this one, because this serum will give you a very glowy finish to your skin and it will like work like a primer on your skin. So under the foundation you can definitely use this one. So yeah, the fifth and the last step is moisturizing your face. Next, oat moisturizer. Why it's not focusing, guys? As you can see, the moisturizer is very light, but it will give a nice moisture to your face, and it is made by oat. I like this moisturizer, but what I don't like the smell, because I'm obsessed with a good smell. So if any product doesn't smell good, I don't feel, I don't know why, I don't feel good. But this moisturizer works so good. This is very lightweighted moisturizer which is absolutely okay for my skin, but the smell is not good. So yeah, and moisturizer is just for oily skin. So this one is the Mamaearth oil free face moisturizer, and which is from Apple cider vinegar, and it's for acne prone skin. So if you have acne, active acne or dry acne, you can definitely use this moisturizer in any season. So in winter definitely you can go for this one. And third product is Lotus Herbals Nutra Night night cream. This is the bottle. Again, this product, just wow product. This helps to moisture my skin so well, but what I don't like is the smell. I don't know why. Whatever moisturizer I'm using in this winter, they don't smell good, but yeah, this works amazing. That's why I'm recommending all this product. And if you are like on budget, if you don't want to invest so much money in moisturizer, then you can go for this one. This is the Biotic vitamin C moisturizer, because I have already told you vitamin C is very important in this, especially winter. We should intake a vitamin C, and if you are not intaking, at least apply some vitamin C product on your skin. So this is from Biotic. Again, this also smell doesn't good. I don't know why. I don't use this moisturizer. This is for my mom, because I feel this moisturizer doesn't work for my skin, but yeah, this works for my mom's skin. So I thought I should suggest. If you want, then you can go for this product. Winter में धूप का मजा लेने में सबको मजा आता है, लेकिन भूल मत जाना, out, don't forget to apply some good sunscreen. So for sunscreen I have these two recommendation. First one is this Mamaearth ultralight Indian sunscreen, which is with carrot seed and turmeric, and it suits all skin types. This one is SPF 50 triple plus, so definitely you should give it a try. And my favorite product is this one. This is the Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel, and which is from the Derma Co. And this is the packaging, guys. I just love this product. Love about this product is what it said it works. Actually, it's ultra matte, so it mattifying my skin so well. Whenever I go out, I don't sweat. So I just love this one, because I think all oily girls know that how much we suffer whenever we are going out, or whenever we are doing makeup. So yeah, for today that is all. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. This video is helpful for you, then please share the video link with your friends and relatives. I hope this video will be helpful for them also. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, guys, because subscription is free, and your one subscription make me happy so much. So thank you for landing on my channel, and thank you for staying. Bye bye.